If your PowerPoint already explains the idea, you should not have to record the presentation again. VisionStory can turn the same deck into a narrated avatar video. In this tutorial, I will upload a 4-slide deck, align the narration with each slide, choose one presenter and voice, preview the audio, and generate the finished presentation video. From the VisionStory homepage, open AI Presentation. You can upload a PowerPoint or Keynote file with up to 30 slides. Lock the deck, set the target length to 3 minutes, and leave AI script on for a first draft. Then add one clear instruction for the audience, tone, and final call to action. Click the arrow once to analyze the deck. After analysis, the editor opens with the slide list on the left and the selected slide in the center. Its narration is directly below, with the AI assistant on the right. Before you generate, compare the visible slide with the spoken script. Here, I replace the first script with wording that explains the slide exactly. I check the middle slides in order, then give the final slide one clear next step. The selected thumbnail, canvas, and script must always describe the same page. Next, select the presenter on the canvas and open Characters. I choose the orange blazer presenter and apply that identity across the deck. All 4 thumbnails now match. Then I open the voice menu, choose Claire, and audition the voice sample once. I return to slide 1 for the audio check. Preview audio checks the current slide, not the final rendered video. I listen to slide 1, stop, then repeat on slide 2 to catch clipped sentences or narration on the wrong page. When every slide matches, select Generate. I name this project One Interview to Content Series. Keep the standard output selected, confirm the 30 credit cost, leave the completion email on, and submit once. The job first appears as queued. After generation completes, I open that same project and check the first frame, the slide changes, the presenter placement, and the ending. Your existing deck is now a narrated presentation video. Try it with your next deck at VisionStory.ai.